Welcome back. Well, it's been a while. I know, in fact, far too long. But yes, back with, I hope, what will at least be 4 times a week. Latest news from around the 4th Industrial Revolution, namely new product innovation, product lifecycle, and smarter manufacturing. Done with a slight bias towards automotive and aerospace and defense. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, and that way you will be notified as I release them one by one. Today, we are featuring Byton M-Byte EV, Hyundai come together with Kia for PBVs, Toyota, huge investment in flying vehicles, and A&D sustainability. The week towards innovation in Abu Dhabi and IoT skill shortage in SMBs. So let's get the show underway. So the electric vehicle startup group Buyten wants to set itself apart from other car brands by focusing on technology. The company's M-Byte electric SUV will have a 48-inch dashboard screen and a touch-up ad on the steering wheel, voice and gesture control features, and the ability to receive over-the-air software updates. Now, while Tesla has been a leader in the automotive technology sector, Byton CEO Daniel Kirchert believes the company's vehicle will take Tesla's innovation to the next level. Byton also hopes to avoid Tesla's financial and manufacturing issues, of course. Hyundai Motor Company and Kia Motors Corporation have announced a strategic investment of €100 million, £85 million in a new partnership with a rival, a UK-based EV startup. The automotive giants plan to introduce competitively priced small and medium-sized EVs, vans, and other products for the logistics and other service companies. Rival scalable electric platform can be adapted for the multiple vehicle categories and types which the 3 companies will be exploring for the future development of a range of purpose-built vehicles, PBVs. 2020 off to a flying start. Toyota is making a big bet on flying cars. It's investing nearly $400 million in Joby Aviation, a California company that's been working on it now for more than a decade. It's a new ride-hailing service they're looking at with 5 seats and a top speed of 200 miles per hour with a range of around 150 on a single charge. The recent partnership have also been done with Uber for air taxis, which is expected to go into operation by 2023. The Abu Dhabi Department of Energy, principal partner for the Abu Dhabi Sustainability Week 2020, has launched a platform for the supporting innovation in line with Abu Dhabi's strategic goals and the DOE's efforts towards energy transition. The DOE Innovation Platform, as it's called, seeks to attract innovation and experts from around the energy sector and around the world as owners of small and medium-sized enterprises, students, and the local and global community to share innovations and generate new ideas around the sustainability of energy. Manufacturing is undergoing a significant shift, and it has never been more important for the sector to embrace change in order to stay competitive. Large manufacturers are leveraging the capabilities of the IoT, Internet of Things, to utilize real-time data to monitor the status of key equipment and products and to bring productivity gains to their industries. These approaches are making their way into the SME manufacturing communities too. IoT is fast revolutionizing the sector. However, for many SMEs, organizations investing in IoT having the right skills in the right place is a serious concern. In fact, not having those right people in place could put the brakes on many of the IoT projects which are already underway. According to the 2019 Microsoft IoT Signals report, 47% of businesses don't have enough skilled workers to implement effective IoT rollouts, while a quarter cite complexity and technical challenges as a barrier to furthering their organizational IoT's adoption. Thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoy, subscribe now and it'll let you know when the latest things are coming out in the next few days. Thanks.